TrioTech Software Trainings. My name is Kumar. I am the founder director for TrioTech Software Trainings. So today I came up with a very interesting video, that is fast formulas. So everywhere in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, fast formula is a buzzword, right? Whenever you learning a particular program in this respective technology, or whenever you discuss with your colleagues, they will suggest you, hey, fast formulas are very important topic, you have to definitely learn in order to get a job, right? And even whenever you attending the interviews, there will be a definite question from the interviewer, what are fast formulas, why we have them in the system. So many people having doubt with respect to this topic, and many of you are neglecting this topic of fast formula whenever you preparing for your interviews team. But definitely fast formula is one of the important topic in the entire Oracle HCM Cloud. And also many people will think that fast formula means only that is related to payroll module. Nothing like that. So today in this session I am going to give you a detailed information about what are fast formulas, why we have them in the system, right? And I am planning to do this video in two parts. In first part, in this video, I will explain you what is a fast formula concept in Oracle HCM Cloud, why we have them, for what purpose we have them. And in the second video followed by, I am going to introduce to you how many types of fast formulas we have in the system and where we are going to use them in the real world with some examples. Now, let us get into today's topic. So as I told you, fast formula. Fast formulas are nothing but in order to implement certain validations in our modules in Oracle HCM Cloud, or in order to write some logics to implement our modules in the Fusion HCM Cloud, we have fast formulas. Why we have fast formulas? In order to maintain some validations, or in order to maintain some logics, or in order to maintain some calculations, we have our fast formula concept in our Oracle HCM Cloud. So typically, when you see the fast formula concept team, the structure of the fast formula, we can't say that it's completely a coding related aspect, or it is going to be a completely SQL related draft or the kind of functionalities we have. No. Fast formula structure, if you observe carefully, it's a combination of English and mathematical calculations. The fast formula concept in the Fusion system, we have the entire structure. It's a combination of English and mathematical calculation, right team? So when it comes to the usage part, where we will use fast formulas in the system. So as I told you, this is not only specific to payroll module. Fast formulas will be used in payroll module, in absence module, in compensation module, in benefits module, in time and labor module, and also most importantly in our HCM extracts. We have our reporting tool, HCM extracts. In that also we will be using fast formula. And also team, in our processes, in our absence module, or in our payroll module, or in our compensation module, a part of the configurations where fast formula we are using, when we scheduling any processes in that modules, as a parameter in the processes, we have the utilization of fast formula. So in all these modules, in order to implement certain validations in order to implement certain logics or in order to implement certain calculations, we will be using the fast formulas in the system. So what sort of logics I am talking here? What sort of validations I am talking about here? Let me give you a high level requirement and then you can understand it. See, if you take absence module as an example. In absence module, we have absence plans configuration, absence types configuration. These are all the concepts we have. When we configuring an absence plan, it could be an accrual plan, qualification plan, no entitlement plan. Whenever we configuring our eligibility profile, in that we have a fast formula utilization team. We have different parameters Oracle gives in order to build the eligibility profile in our absence module. But at the same time, the parameter that which client looking for is not available in the list of conditions in our eligibility profile. Then how? For example, client asking you, Kumar, in my organization, annual leave plan is eligible to the people who is working in Hyderabad location, okay, that too whose salary is above 5 lakhs per annum. Till here, okay, you can achieve the requirement because location parameter is there in the eligibility profile and also salary details in the derived factor we can achieve. But beyond this, if any requirement that client comes up, client saying that Kumar, whoever not taken any sick leave in the last 3 years, they are eligible to annual leave. So 3 years is a very long period. At least, let's say today they want to enroll the plan, they have a requirement that in the last 1 year, whoever not applied any sick leave, then they are eligible for this particular annual leave plan. So Kumar, if people whoever hired recently, they have not completed 1 year of period, obviously they are not eligible. Whoever is greater than 1 year means the length of service, that too within 1 year who have not taken any sick leave, for them only this annual leave plan is eligible. How we will define the eligibility criteria here? I can't write direct condition over there. No parameter is there to me available in the eligibility profile. Then if you go to other section, we have formula over there. You have to write a fast formula with this logic and you have to tag it over there. Or whenever you configuring your absence plan in the system, okay, for defining your accrual plan or qualification plan, anything, whenever you defining your plan, in the third tab, accruals tab, in accrual plan, you can define all your calculations, yearly entitlement, yearly accrual, monthly accrual, carryover, rollover or transfer, everything you can maintain directly in the formula over there. Either you can go with matrix or you can achieve in the formula team. Or let's say in absence module, we have validation type of formulas. Whenever we configuring our absence type, we have validation formula. Client having a business requirement like this. Kumar, whenever any employee in my system applying annual leave, system should check for the validation. If any employee applied sick leave in the month, then he is not eligible to apply casual leave. How I can check that? Where I can maintain that logic or validation? We have validation formula in the system where we can tag at our absence type level. Then we have conversion formulas, we have team. Everywhere in absence module, when we configuring a plan or the type, we have the formula utilization to execute these requirements of the client. We don't have a direct solution. Whenever you don't have a direct solution to implement, then formula will be the solution to you. You can customize, you can write whatever the logic that you want to do in the system. Then if you go to payroll module team, in payroll module, we have different types within that. Detailedly I will talk in the next video what are the different types of formulas we have in each module. But in payroll, whenever you configuring the elements in the system, element fast formula will be there in our status processing rule. Whatever the calculation rule we are giving, how that element got created with that rule selection, formula will get created with that. Then we have in the payroll module element input value validation team. Whenever you go to the input values of the element, if you want to maintain any validation for that input value, when HR tagging that element to the employee, you can write input value validation fast formula there. Or skip rule. Whenever you configure the element, we have the skip rule type formula. You have a business requirement, client telling, Kumar, consecutively, if I pay this component to the employee for last 3 months, fourth month he is not eligible to get process. For that matter, any component you take him, then you can have skip rule type of formula. So we have different usages in different modules team. So ultimately, I want to tell you that in Fusion system, fast formula concept we have in order to maintain certain validations, maintain certain logics, and to maintain certain calculations in the system. Wherever you don't have a direct solution to configure that, we have to use the fast formula and you have to achieve that requirement. So this is about fast formulas and in different modules, the fast formula usages. In the next followed by video, I will explain you what are the different types of fast formulas we have in the system, where they will be available. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button in order to get more videos on this Oracle HCM Cloud applications. Thank you everyone for watching this video.